Okay, so let's share your screen. Let's see what is the last topic we had.
Okay.
I think we have done.
Yeah, test overloading function.
Yeah, that overloading function. Yes. Okay. Today we are doing the overriding. Actually.
Okay.
There are two things: overloading and overriding. Same method name but different parameter. It is method overloading and overriding. Just I am giving to you.
Screen is visible.
Yeah, screen is visible. Now open the Eclipse. Okay, what is method overriding? Method overriding is it is a if subclass has the same method and declared in the parent class, that is called method overriding. And that means suppose you have two classes, one parent class and another is child class. So if subclass has the same method as declared in the parent class, then it is known as the method overriding in Java. That is the thing. In other words, if subclass provides a specific implementation of the method that has been declared by one of the parent class, it is known as method overriding. So the easy way we can say that there are two classes, subclass and parent class. And the subclass has the same method name declared in the parent class. That means parent class and subclass method name should be same. That is known as method overriding. And method overloading is what? Method overloading is same method name. Both classes have same method name but different parameters. That is called method overloading. And what is overriding? Overriding is subclass has the same method name as the parent class. And method overriding is used in runtime polymorphism. What is polymorphism? I can tell you later. The method overriding is used in for runtime polymorphism, and method overriding is used to provide a specific implementation of the method. That's why we use method overriding. And rules for Java method overriding. So the just always remember, method overriding is the method overriding is used for runtime polymorphism. And method overriding is used to provide the specific implementation. And it is method overriding. Okay, so let's see first of all one example. Implementation. Used to provide a specific element. Method overriding is actually subclass and the parent class have the same method name.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, that is overloading. Let's start method overriding example. Just create the class vehicle and see that the class name is vehicle. That is called method overriding. And another important point is method overriding is running in runtime polymorphism, and method overloading is compile time polymorphism. That is the big difference between method overloading and overriding.
Runtime polymorphism.
Yeah. Runtime polymorphism. Overriding is method overriding is means runtime polymorphism. Method overriding is declared in runtime polymorphism, and method overloading is declared in compile time polymorphism. Yeah, you can note this.
Okay.
Is to provide the specific declare in runtime polymorphism. Declare in runtime polymorphism. Yes, and declare in compile time polymorphism. That is the method overloading. It's a block of method actually, block of code actually. Method overloading and overriding both are just one block of code. Okay, so let's start the example. Yes, in just 1 minute, one call is coming.
Okay.
Now always try to run. Just right click on the right click on the method code. Right click on the program. Just right click. Yeah, now run here.
No, actually, I think need to create child class.
Yes, yes. You need to create child first. Separate by class actually.
Yeah, I think that class bike.
Yes, yes. Class bike. Not class bike. The name is only bike.
Only bike. Only
Yes.
bike.
Yeah, save the program. Yes, Google is running.
But
That is
here,
called
why
method
this is
overriding. Hmm. Go to overriding. In a child class. Okay, you need to save this. Save all. But the error, but the output is correct.
output is correct. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe it is taken before program, that overriding program we already written
Hmm.
that time.
Yeah, actually, it has not error. Actually, it is not,
Yeah,
because if the error is coming, then actually the program is not executed.
output is not
Yes.
this.
Okay, move to the next. Next, another example of method overriding. Now it is a real life example. The real life example is just bank. You have one class that is called bank, and you have child class SBI, ICICI, and Axis. And you have another test class that is called test 2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 class. Yeah. That is method overriding.
In the class name, numerical value is acceptable or not?
Numerical is obviously acceptable. You can test this.
Okay.
No, just give overriding one. Yeah, now it is right.
Starting value should be capital.
Yes, tell me.
I think class name starting value should be alphabet and capital letter.
Yes, just capital letter always, but not starting with that integer or identity.
Yeah, means only alphabetic and
Only
capital letter.
alphabetical, yes, and that should be capital.
Okay.
Okay, now see the next example. Abdul, you gave the zip to the
Yes.
group in the previous day.
No, actually, thing is that
Hmm.
all programmer means not synchronization. Okay, not proper synchronize.
Okay.
Okay, start. Can I paste only for static example? Okay. Today I will yesterday class and today class,
Hmm.
I will upload separate file.
Okay, okay, sure. Hmm. Not separate. You can just make a zip file and you can send.
Okay.
Because the separate it is very hectic.
Yeah.
If you do separate, it is very hectic. So just one thing, you can do the zip and you can send.
Okay. Till today, I will just make a zip file and
Yeah,
send it. And again tomorrow, whatever means next class, whatever done,
yeah,
full
yeah,
means zero to end of the class. Whatever program done, I will just zip file and send them. Send
yeah,
them.
yeah.
Okay.
That's fine. That's fine. Okay, now see, I have given the next problem. Plus minus. Bank. Let's run and I think it will work. Let's run.
We just run on we just create different class or in one program.
I think in one program it is not executing, I think.
Okay, that's why I just create a different class.
Yes, yes. I see, I see.
Access.
Abdul,
Hmm.
just make one thing. You create the zip file and just send to me, not in the group.
Send to
You can send me. You don't send in the group.
group. Okay, okay,
You only send me personally. You don't send in the group.
okay, okay. Let's do the overriding one.
Yes. Now I think this is the last. I think the SBI. Yes. Yes. SBI 8, ICC 7, and Axis 9. Yes, right. That is my target that all the three banks interested I want to print in the console, and that will be good.
Return 9, return 7, return 8, return 0. Overriding not, overriding is going to 8.
Yes. Now another question comes, a little bit theory. Can we override static method?
No,
Just
static
write in the
method.
note. Just write in the notepad. Can we override
Okay.
static method? The answer should be yes or no. And the answer is should be no, because static method cannot be overridden because it can be proved by runtime polymorphism. The overriding is in the runtime polymorphism. That's why the static cannot be overridden.
Overriding is,
Can we override static method? That is the question.
yeah,
Overriding is runtime polymorphism. So the static method
no,
cannot override.
because, yeah, no, because the overriding is runtime polymorphism. This is the answer?
Yeah, it is because the static method is bound with class, whereas instance method is bound with an object. Main thing is static method is bound with class, but the instance method is bound with an object. That's all. Yeah, I'm just giving you that theory. You can go through there in the chat. See,
Okay.
it is because the static method is bound with class, whereas instance method is bound with an object. That's why static belongs to the class area, but instance belongs to the heap area. There is one kind of very important interview question: can you override static method or not?
It's because the static method is bound with class, whereas instance method is bound with an object. Static belongs to the class, yeah, and instance belongs to the
Now, yeah, that is the main thing. The next question is arrived: can we override Java main method? That public static one main string argument, that is the main method. Can we override the main method or not? That is the main question. No, because main method is static method. That's why main method cannot be overridden, because static method cannot be overridden and main method is static method.
Yeah,
That's why it
one
is
method is
overridden.
also static method.
Yeah. Now the next is covariant return type.
What?
Covariant return type.
Okay.
Covariant return type. That is the next thing. Just little bit theory. The covariant return type specifies that why we use actually that return type. The covariant return type specifies that the return type may vary in the same direction as the subclass. Whatever the subclass direction is, that is the same direction vary to the direction of the subclass. That return type. That is called covariant return type. In the chat box, I am giving you the
Okay.
covariant return type. Yeah, the covariant return type specifies that the return type specifies the return type may vary in the same direction on the subclass. That is called covariant return type. Actually, what is happened before Java 5, it was not possible to override any method by changing the return type. But now, after the Java 5 version, we can override the method by changing the return type. We can change the overriding method by changing the return type. But before the Java 5 version, it cannot be happen. It is not support. But after the Java 5 version, we can change in the return type. And what? And why changing the return type? Because of the override method.
Everything are working for overriding.
Yes, because of the overriding, we can change. We can do the overriding by changing the return type. Before the Java 5 version, it cannot happen, but after the Java 5 version, it is happening by changing the return type. By changing the return type of the method, any method. Okay, next covariant return type example. Give me. Yeah, the class B1, you need to create the class B1.
I think need to create a class.
Yeah, that's it. You need to
B1.
keep the class B1 because the compiler cannot understand that class.
Okay.
Yeah, just check the bracket. Return this line number 7, yes. And bracket also, yes. Yes, welcome to the covariant return type. Now it is ready.
So main function, actually mainly dress means what main class declare in child main function declare in child class, right?
Yeah, main function declared in child class. The child class is B1, and the main
Yeah,
and the parent class is covariant.
covariant. Yeah.
Yes. Here we get one type of override, and then void message. This is the method void message. Message is the method name, and then we print welcome to covariant return type. After that, the main method, and after that, new beyond dot get dot message.
Message means that welcome to.
Covariant return type.
Okay. Get means data getting from.
Actually, it will return. That's it.
Yeah.
Whatever we get, that will return. That message will return. That's why it is called beyond dot get dot message. What is the message? The message is welcome to covariant return type.
Okay. Can I take 2 minute break?
Welcome covariant return type. Yes. Hmm.
Okay.
Go to next. Okay, now come to the super keyword, the next topic. What is super keyword? First of all, we have done this keyword, we have done extends keyword in inheritance. Now, what is super keyword? Actually, the super keyword in Java is a reference variable which is used to refer immediate parent class object. Super keyword is basically used what? Suppose we have one parent class. Inside the parent class, the super keyword in Java is the reference variable used to refer to the parent class object. The super keyword is refer what? The super keyword is refer immediate parent class object. That is the working function of the super keyword. Maybe it is object or maybe it is constructor, parent class constructor, whatever this is. Mainly the parent class object it will refer. It will refer. The super keyword is used to refer to the parent class object. That's why the super keyword is used. Okay, now what is the usage of the super keyword? Super keyword can be used to refer immediate parent class variable and parent class method it can invoke, or super keyword can be used to parent class construct that I have told. There's a little bit theory and share with you in the chat box. You can note it the super class. Yeah, that is super keyword. Okay, go to next. Super class example, super keyword example. First, give you the example of super keyword is used to refer immediate parent class variable. Then we go to the refer to the method. One by one, we'll see this example.
First, create the class
Yeah,
animal, right?
use the super keyword for invoke the parent class instance variable. This is the example. Just write super keyword instance variable. Yeah, super keyword invoke the instance variable.
Yeah.
Yeah, class dog and test super on you need to create separate.
I am just trying if it is acceptable or not.
Okay.
Your dog already have a one class name in dog before we done. Dog.
Okay. Yeah, now paste the test super one. It should be dog d equals to new dog. Yes. The class should be same when the
Yeah,
object is created.
actually, we changed dog one, but here dog
Yes,
only.
yes. Dog one d equals to new dog. Yes.
Yeah.
D is the object.
Black,
Black and
color, string color black, and super pure white. Can I change the name? Class name changing possible or not? Super pure. Super pure. Okay. Rename. There is no rename.
All is saved, I think. All is saved. Yeah, already saved, already saved. No need to.
No, I just want to know
Hmm.
class after creating class, the class name rename is possible or not? I think not possible.
Class rename, yeah, go to just go to the for the dog one you need to change.
No, first one, parent class.
Super keyword.
This is animal, I think. Animal, okay.
No, not that type. Not that. And go to no. Just give me control. Give me control. No, not that.
Okay. No, I just want to change it possible or not.
It is animal. Fine. Go to refractor. Yes, it is possible. Refractor and rename.
Okay.
And that is should be animal.
Yeah. Animal, I think already animal we are done one program. The animal one, just put animal one.
Yeah, that animal one should be.
Yeah. 11. Then
Animal one and
here change animal one. Yeah.
it should be animal one.
No, okay, correct.
Finally, to part one like that. Italy, I think.
If I save the program, it is automatically.
Yeah, that is animal one. See now perfect.
Yeah, animal one.
Animal one. And two. Okay, now run.
Oh, man.
Yeah, now black and white. Discover.
The animal data means that parent data transfer in dog means child classes.
Yeah, the main thing is when you do the extends keyword, all the properties of
Parent
the
class
parent
data.
class transform to the child class.
Child class. Yeah.
Yes, all the properties. Maybe it is object, maybe it is methods, all the properties coming to the child class. Okay, now go to next. Now come, the superkeyword can be used in parent class method. Now it is the constructor, now it is the variable. Now we are doing superkeyword can be used to parent class method. See, see, I have given this is the actually invoke the parent class method for using the superkeyword.
That program. Yeah.
Yeah. Superkeyword is used to invoke the parent class method. This is the program. The previous program is for invoke the parent class variable, whatever the parent variable. Now it is the method to invoke the parent class method. Yeah, now fine. Get another class.
It is what do you call that?
Yeah,
Super
tell me.
keyword invoke.
Yeah, invoke. Invoke means call. Call the parent class method in the child class with the super keyword. Keyword method.
Eating, working.
Yeah, eating and working. Yes.
But it is invoked. Eating, break, working. Out, eating, break, working. That invoke the parent class or what?
Yeah, invoke the parent class method. Invoke the
in
parent class method
The
actually.
parent class output is eating, right?
Yes. That is the invoke, na? That is the
That,
parent class method actually.
yeah, method only. Okay.
The parent class method actually it will invoke. So that's why the eating is
Then eating bread coming, I think.
now go to the animal 2. Go to animal 2.
Yeah, animal.
Yeah, it is eating. That is the parent class. Void eat and it is the eating.
Okay, it is the parent class, right?
Yeah.
The invoke from child class.
First of all, save. First of all, save the program. Doc2. The doc2 program first of all save.
Okay. I will save all the programs, save all.
Now run the.
Already saved.
No, actually you give the save all, then actually it will save.
Okay. Now
Run.
Now eating and barking.
Working, yes.
But output should be, I think, eating bread and barking.
No, doc2 extends animal. Look here. Bark means barking, actually. Okay, just wait 1 minute. Give me control. Void work. How is this coming? Now save. Green tea দেবে একটু দিবি eating bread. Now coming.
We are invoking the parent class, right?
Invoking the parent class method.
Method.
Yes. What about the method of the parent class that it invoke? And the previous example, what we have seen the parent class variable invoke, but here the parent class method will invoke with the super keyword. Okay. Now next is that goes to static keyword. Sorry, the super keyword. Now next, the next topic is instance initializer block. Instance initializer block. Now what is instance initializer block? Instance initializer block is used to initialize the instance data member. It runs each time when object of the class is created. So when the object of the class is created, then the instance block will be started. Okay, so just give you a little bit theory. See in the chat box. Instance initializer block.
Instance.
Okay, now Give the example. See this example. With the instance initializer. Yeah, speed is 100. Yes. This is the static initializer.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Tell me.
The thing is that when we are creating one or more classes, minimum more than 5 and 6 classes, okay?
In one,
When we are creating in one program more than 5 to 6 classes,
yes, the part by part. Yes.
part by part, we just create one project, then part by part create one project, then there is we create different 4 to 5 class. Means whatever class needed, we just create class.
One project.
Means like there is one what called project name is PCS Global, right?
Yes.
Package, sorry. That package
The
name
project is
PCS.
Java project, and the package is PCS Global Java package.
Okay. Then when we need to means when we need
Okay,
to
I understand. Whatever you say,
Yeah.
that you saying that we need to create 3 classes for one program. There are
Yeah.
3 classes in one package. You need to say.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want. Yeah. That is also thing. But every time you have to create the package. That is the thing. Every time, yeah, that is the more organized way. But every time you have to create the package. That is the thing. Every time we have to go to the file and create the package, and after that, inside the package, after create the 3 classes.
If organized way, then that is good. One create one package, then there is
yeah, you can do that,
maybe
but
4,
it
5,
is
6
actually
classes.
take little bit time actually. Every time you just create package, and inside the package again you create 3 classes.
No, if we need means more than 3 class or 5 to 10 class, possible or not?
Yeah, it is possible. Obviously, in a project, in a Java project, you can create hundreds of thousands of packages. Okay. Yeah, it is absolutely possible. Yeah, this is the most organized way. You can understand later actually.
Yeah. For practice, it is good. If I doing means real time Any example?
Yeah,
any
you are
project?
working in any project, that's why it is helping. Okay, just yeah, save the file like 7.
It is 100 and
Okay. Then now come to the next is final keyword.
final keyword.
Final keyword, yes. There is 3 possible things in the final keyword. We can use final keyword as a final variable. We can use as a final method, and you can use a final fix. That's the final keyword. Just create one example. Is a final keyword is means what? Suppose you give final int a equals to 10, so that's why it is the value is 10 is fixed. You cannot change the value of a again. The final means it is fixed actually.
It's like a static,
Yeah, it is also means constant actually.
constant. Okay.
Constant. Yes. Suppose you give final int a equals to 10, final and normally int b equals to 20, but you can change the b value of b, but you cannot change the value of a because it is final. So little bit theory giving you seriously.
After log I, can I check the chat box?
After
Means that meeting is log out. Okay.
no. After that you
Ah,
cannot see. The chat will delete automatically.
delete it. Okay. The main design part.
ওই বিস্কুট গুলো খাবি চৌকো
Okay, now let's do one final keyword example. See, I have given. No, it is not running. Error is coming.
Yeah, because this is only final. Right?
In the class name, you should give not the capital. That is the main. That is the first error. Give me control.
Okay, all word not a
No, no, that is not the rule.
change.
Yeah, that is actually the main thing is what? That is, see, here final equals 90. And if you give final in speed limit 90, if you change to 400, then actually why this error is coming? Because of the final.
Yeah, already we are declare final is 90.
Already declared, that's why. Actually, this program has not any print. Suppose if you give public, see, that's why in that case it is the error is not coming. But if you give the final,
What is the output if I run?
yeah, there is there no there will be no output because the error is coming. Why is the error is coming? Error is coming because if you already said is 90, 90 cannot be changed to 400. It is constant. That is the thing.
Yeah, final QR.
Because yes, it is compile time error.
If I put
Yeah,
here only 90,
no, it cannot change actually because already you give that final in speed limit equals to 90. That is final. Okay, so let's do another next example. It is final method. Final method also has compile time error because if you give the it is final method, that's why. Because you cannot override it. If the method you declare any method final, then you can not override it. That is the thing. You create the run method, but you comment the run method, how it is calling. Yes. This program has no output.
Okay.
Okay, now save and go to next. This is called final method.
On this compilation error.
Yes, yes. The same. The next program also has compilation error because it is final, and the final method cannot be overridden. So just wait for 1 minute. I am coming. Yeah, do this program. Yeah, now run this. Give the first bracket. Give the bracket. Give the bracket. Save and run. Extends final keyword.
Compilation problem.
Final keyword 2.
Exception thread. Main Java unresolved compilation.
Yes, the exception will create because you cannot inherit the final method. That is the thing. That's why it is. That's why it is saying the compilation problem. Okay, now okay. Now next question is what is blank variable or uninitialized final variable? What is blank? The final variable. This is not initialized at the time of declaration. That is called blank variable. That is a little bit theory. I'm giving in a chat box. That is the blank variable. It is called. হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ও সব দেখছে না, আপনি আমরাই করছি, ও শুধু ইয়ার্কি করছে না, সেটাই। Okay, go to next.
Any example blank variable?
Yeah, blank variable example is actually not needed because it is not actually important.
Actually, when I think
Actually, blank variable is not actually needed, but you should know that a little bit theory. That's
means when we declare the that by kilometer is 90. If we are not declare any
yeah.
means
We don't declare any variable,
any
so
variable.
it is called blank variable or uninitialized.
Yeah, uninitialized blank. Means here 90. We are just nothing means
Yes, nothing means it is null. This is
Yeah.
blank.
blank.
Okay, another question is, can we declare a constructor final?
Construct in a final keyword.
No, can we declare? Yeah, can we declare a constructor final? I mean we can declare a method final, we can declare a variable final, but can we declare a constructor final? No, constructor is never inherited. Constructor is never inherited. That's why it is not final. I'm giving you in the chat box this thing. These are the little interview questions. That's thing.
Constructor. Declare constructor. In what final keyword or final variable or final method?
Yeah, no, constructor. Can you declare a constructor final? Final keyword, actually it is. Yeah, it is actually mentioned final keyword. Okay, so go to next topic. That is polymorphism. Polymorphism means that is the one kind of OOPS concept. The polymorphism is two type. Is runtime polymorphism, compile time polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism means it is method overriding, and compile time polymorphism means method overloading. That I already told you. And polymorphism is what? Polymorphism means a concept. You can perform a single action in different ways. That is called polymorphism. Suppose you are going one way, you are going to one location, but you can do on bypass and you can do also on shortcut. But the main thing is same. You need to reach that location. That is called, you need to perform the single action, but in different ways. Any forms. That is the thing. This is a little bit polymorphism.
Problem system as you can see the vertical performance selection difference derived from the volume of stellar elements level and motions so
Okay, now quickly give the example of runtime polymorphism. Okay, and also it is called dynamic method dispatch. Runtime polymorphism is also called dynamic method dispatch. And it is already you have done. Okay, actually I don't need to do other code because runtime polymorphism actually method overriding, and you have already done the method overriding. But one thing you can note, runtime polymorphism is another name is dynamic method dispatch.
dynamic method expression.
Dispatch. Dynamic method dispatch. Yes. Dispatch, not patches. Dynamic method dispatch. Okay. Now next. And compile time polymorphism is what? Compile time polymorphism method overloading.
Method overloading.
Method overloading, and runtime polymorphism is method overriding. Just do another program of dynamic binding. This is dynamic binding. The same thing actually. This is one kind of method overriding, but it's called dynamic binding. Really, what is dynamic binding actually? Static binding and dynamic binding. There are two types of binding. Binding means connecting a method call to the method body. It is called binding. Static binding, it is called early binding, and dynamic binding, it is called late binding. Okay, just give you this theory. You can note it down. Okay, Abdul, can I share the Java interview one note to you? I have already shared or not?
No.
Java job company and a PDF, one kind of PDF actually.
No, I think you are not sharing.
Okay.
Can you share again? Then it is good.
Yeah, I will share again in the groups. So this is the PDF actually, the all kind of possible interview questions from the Java that is there.
Okay.
Now quickly do the example of dynamic binding. That's mean dynamic binding is same actually. You already have done that method overriding. I think. Okay, so last thing we can do is called instance of operator. It's one kind of operator that is called instance of operator. Instance of operator also known as the type comparison operator. And it compares the type of the instance. That's why it is called type comparison operator.
Type compression.
Type comparison operator. Type comparison operator. This is the little bit note you can read. Type comparison operator or instance of operator. And now I'll quickly give you the instance of very small example of instance of operator. See this example.
Keeping like you know,
না।
sleeping as you
না
এরকম আরেকটা ছিল না?
হুম?
এরকম আরেকটা ছিল না?
ওটা খারাপ তো। Yeah, that is true. That is the instance of operator example. Okay, now do another example. This is the last example of instance of operator with downcasting. Answer manually. I'm getting there. Yeah, it is true. Testing the class actually it is instance of operator or not? It is true actually. Okay, so today is up to this. Let's end the recording. Yeah. Okay, Abdul, so make one Jeep and send to me. Okay.
That output is a previous program output. We need to create another class.
Yeah, same thing. We need to create another class. It is not compiler actually not doing na.
Okay, I'll do myself. Okay.
Okay, yeah, you will do. Okay,
Thank you,
so
sir.
up to the instance of operator we have done. So next day actually it is Monday.
Yeah.
Monday I will declare in the group whether it is actually the session is happened or not, because actually it is
Okay.
Diwali.
Yeah.
That's why. Okay, let me discuss with and then I will post in the group.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe not Monday, then it will be Wednesday.
It will be Wednesday. Okay.
Yeah, in the Wednesday we start the abstraction, then encapsulation, then little bit array, and then we will go to the advanced Java. Advanced Java means JDBC, JSP servlet, that kind of thing.
Okay.
JSP, not JSP servlet actually, it is JDBC mainly. Java database.
JDBC, Java.
Yeah. That
Okay,
is the
sir. Thank
advanced
you.
Java portion actually. Okay, actually you don't you say that 1 minute.
Okay.
I just in the recording.